Oh shit! It's like teaching nigga how to ride a bike in that hoe. Oh shit!
What you doing?
Chill out.
You don't even know what he doing.
Chill out. Stop.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Rio, and I'm back with another banger, man. Look, in today's video, man, y'all seen by that title, man, and y'all see by my background, man, bike like Rio and anything, man.
That right.
But nah, look, I just bought this Honda CRF150, man, and I ain't gonna lie, man, I fell in love with it already, man. I ain't the best rider yet, like I'm still learning, but I just wanted to share it with y'all, man. So, you know, they be running though. Like the dude who I bought it from, he did some like new upgrades to it. Like the gears go to 6 gears, and the clutch, I ain't gotta hit the clutch. Well, I hit the clutch on first gear, but he said from 2nd to 6th, I ain't gotta hit the clutch, because when he was racing it, he was losing time by hitting the clutch, so he just made it so he could just hit the clutch or whatever like that, man. I don't know, I'm gonna hit the clutch for my safety. I'm just telling y'all what he told me, but either way it go, man, I got a great deal on this bike, man. And honestly, man, I'm excited about this new journey, man. It's finna help me bring new content for y'all, new creative content. I'm finna go to Best Buy today, get a GoPro. We finna go crazy, man. Like whoever down south, y'all ain't even gotta be in Mobile. Whoever down south and wanna ride these dirt bikes, man, hit me up, man. I might need to pull up to Georgia and ride with my boy Leak GT, man. Y'all know, I don't know if y'all watch Leak GT, man, but if y'all into dirt bikes, man, tap into my boy page, Leak GT in Georgia, man. He be on all these bikes, man. So I'm gonna need some tips from him, man, because like I say, I'm a beginner. You know what I'm saying? But it's a great bike, man. It runs great. Like, and when I bought the bike, bro, I ain't had no truck to pick it up. So the dude actually, way across town, he hopped on the bike and followed me in my car all the way to my house on this bike, man. And I test drove it, so I know it ran good. It start on first start, man. It push the start. Let me cut the key on. It start first start. Then move along. They more sinking in that mud though. But I'm gonna get the video right for y'all, man. But as y'all can see, man, I got the red helmet, I got the red bubble coat on, the bike red, man. I'm riding the style today. But look, y'all give me some graphic ideas, man. Y'all give me some graphic ideas, cause I want to put my own little touch on this bike. Ideas I need. Bella. Y'all, she chewing on that border, man. Can't even make my video, man. But y'all give me some graphic ideas, man, and let me know what all kind of new upgrades I need to do to it myself. Man, this Bella, y'all, for y'all who don't know, our dog, man, this Bella, man, she wants this border, y'all, man, but don't pay her no attention. But anyway, man, y'all let me know what graphics I need to do to it, what kind of upgrades I need to do to it, and just let me know everything. Like I told y'all, I'm a beginner rider. I'm gonna be safe, but you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna say a prayer before I get on the bike every time. Y'all say one for me, but that's pretty much it, man. You can come get a walk around on the bike, man. But that's pretty much it, man.
Popping wheelies all day long.
Who back there? Oh, here, Bella. Let me pull off for y'all real quick.
Say too much, I let my phone ring. If I tell them they gon' bang you, you ain't even see them swing through. That what Kenny beat the K too. Free that nigga walking through it. You can have face, still die. You was caught up with some sauce. 35 like the red. Just gave pop that time, remember I was little. With no pop, I can't put one. You don't love my brother, that's some crazy. Get we live today. Did the sound in the third time.
All right, y'all, man, we got a Ricky teaching a Ricky, man. So what come before Ricky, man? Ricky teaching a Ricky, man. So I'm gonna just teach you simply how to start it. I think it's in neutral already, but you twist the key, kick it down. I'm gonna just show you. Kick it down. No, kick it. Yeah. Nah, you good. Now put your feet under it. Now kick it up. All right. Now try to roll forward. Then you roll forward. All right, and you good now. Just click that button.
You got a button?
Yeah. But my thing is, look, you pull off using the clutch.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, ease out. Yeah, I remember. But you go what? One down.
You got too much grip on this, man. You don't want your hand to get stuck on this.
One down, 6 up.
You got too much grip on this too. Two fingers.
Hold on. Let me get the fuck in front of my car.
Don't tell them to bite now.
I ain't. But I'm saying, what is it? One down, 6 up?
Huh?
Or one down, 6 up, or 6? Or 1 up, 6 down?
One down,
6 up.
6 up. But you might.
1 down, 5 up.
Yeah, 1 down, 5 up. But look, you might hit neutral sometime because you don't know how to switch the gears yet. So sometimes neutral is from down 1 and you go up. You see how you roll the bike? I just told you roll the bike. That was neutral. So when you kick in the second gear, if you don't know how to switch the gears, you'll jump to neutral. So make sure you know what you're doing.
What a flash that I gave you? I don't see him on the stuff.
But look though, you ain't trying to gas, bro.
I'm straight.
Bro, I'm telling you, if the bike could go on 1 wheel, fool. Hold it for 2 fingers. You don't want to get caught too many fingers on, and don't grip that with like too much. Just loosen your grip, so you won't get locked on. If you grip it too hard, you turn that bitch, like your hand will get locked in there. Alright, let the gas go. Alright, put it in first, hold that still.
Oh shit! It's like teaching nigga how to ride a bike in that hoe. Oh shit!
What you doing?
Chill out.
You don't even know what he's doing.
Chill out. Stop.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Once it's in neutral, hold the clutch, kick it down. Down is first. When you driving, you gotta let the clutch go. See, look, if I let the clutch go, it's just gonna cut off. You feel me?
You gotta give it gas and let the clutch go at the same time?
Yeah, but you gotta ease it. If you just pop the clutch, you gonna pop the bike. You gotta ease it off.
He just don't know, y'all. I'm finna pick that bitch up on 1 time. I'm finna meet me at that bitch. He don't even know it.
Yeah.
When you stop and say it one more time now? When you stopping?
Stop it, you gotta hold the clutch if you in first gear.
Alright, bet.
But you should always be in first gear when you stop it because you gotta kick it back down.
Yeah, I know.
Kick it back up.
I know it. Come on.
Look, I ain't gonna record you, but just try to drive with it.
Huh?
Make sure y'all tune in to the channel, man. Like this video, comment on this video, some tips y'all to give me for safety, for switching gears, for tune-ups, for graphics. Y'all let me know what kind of graphics I need. Like, that's another thing. I've been thinking about adding my own little style to the bike, my own little graphics and everything. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what graphics I need to put on this bike, man. Y'all just comment all kind of dirt bike details to just keep me like, you know, keep me going on this journey, man. So yeah, man, like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. We on the road to, we hit 10K, man. We on the road to 15K, man. Road to 15K, man. So let's go and hit that milestone, man. I'm back, I'm better, man. I love y'all, man. I'm out.
Riding in the runner, hit the gas, running through the light. Begging Willie King, that my dog know you keep a pipe. Got on his mind, so tonight. Bitch, you red, run 30 in the good. Shoot like Curry, playing like LeBron. Shooting with the Cali, but I'm thick in the night street. Gotta make it home, cause I know these demons.